And now, Jeremy Piren live. So what we're gonna try and do now is just to get all the pipes out of the river before the bigger rain comes. You can see the clouds are really packing in, so we are expecting rain later today. Nice thunderstorms. Sure, it's very humid and warm. So we're quickly gonna move these cows before the rain comes so we can get the other ones from the dry field off. Otherwise it might be too muddy. I love the light. The light is so nice with these pre-storm clouds. It's just humid and beautiful. It feels good on your body. It's like my favorite. Okay, there's a die. So there's 12 of them. So I'm calling it the dirty dozen. Oh my, it's sick! It's raining like proper. So it seems like it's already like 2 mils. It just came down in a couple of minutes. Luckily these phones are waterproof. Yo, I'm following up lekker. Like intense. I'm so curious to see how much is in my rain gauge up here. 90 mils. Okay, so that was good. It was a nice cold bath. And the audio is amazing in here because it's like echoing the white noise. And now I'm gonna read 1 page of a book and then I'm going to go to bed. Today was a good day.